What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you an alternative to Trello. This is called kan.bn, or basically Kanban. Nice kind of play on the word there. As you can see here is a pretty simple, straightforward clone of Trello. Now, Trello is very powerful. I can tell you I've already played with this. I think this is a little bit of a misnomer. It is not an open source alternative as much as it is a clone. Yet you can do Kanban with it, but it's definitely not as powerful as Trello. However, what it is very simple, very beautiful, and 100% self-hosted. So that's pretty amazing, and I love that. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the things that this Kanban board can do. You'll see down here, if you want them to host it for you, there is a free plan and there is a Teams plan, but of course we want to look at the self-hosted version. We click the View Docs. You'll be sent over to this documentation page right here. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at self-hosting this today. If we go ahead and click their self-host button right here, we're going to be kicked over to the GitHub page, and it's going to take us basically right to their Docker Compose file, which is exactly what we need. So I've modified this slightly. I'm going to show you my Dockage instance right here. So this is going to go ahead and be the way I modified it. You can see here I changed just a very few things. For example, when I look at their GitHub, I took out the networks for the CAN network here. I took out this network here. I took out this network and this volume here. The reason for that is I'm going to go ahead and change this volume, and I'm just going to put a / in front of it to save it in the stacks directory. If you are using TrueNAS and you want to use this in production, I'd recommend you change this to a host path that you create. If you do choose to use a host path, I would use generic permissions and give other read, write, and execute just so you can make sure there's no permissions issues on your local machine. The other thing, of course, you're going to want to do is change your local host to the correct IP of your server, and you can see all that is here for me. I've changed my IP address here. I've taken out all the networking and volume thing, and I've done basically just a / in front of the Postgres data just to make sure that I am saving it in the stacks directory because I am doing this just as a test. If I was going to deploy this in production, I would, of course, have a full host path here like mount tanks configs and then probably Kanban. So let's go ahead and launch this container. Okay, my container is up and running. When I go ahead and click my port 3000, I'm going to be taken to this page. And this looks awfully familiar, but you'll notice here my URL is 1099.0.191, but it looks just like the Kanban page that you get when you go to kan.bn. So yeah, it can be kind of confusing. You might think, oh, this is not good. But basically what we want to do is go ahead and sign in here. And it's going to say sign up. And basically, again, we're not signing up for something that's being hosted in the cloud. This is just signing us into the container that we're already running. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a username. I'm going to enter an email like that. And I'm going to enter a password. And I'm going to sign up with email. But again, I'm not actually signing up to a service. I'm basically just signing into my own container. So I'm going to call this new workspace YouTube, create workspace like that. And here we're in our Trello open source alternative. So now I've got a new board here. Let's do a new one. We're going to call this test YouTube like that. That's our new board. There we go. So our new board is blank, just like that. We can go ahead and create lists. And once we have multiple lists, we can start making cards in here. Let's add a card like that. We have some commands here, so we can do some headings and we can do bulleted lists. There's a bunch of cool stuff we can do here. Let's just go ahead and create this card, and let's create a second list like that. Oh, never mind. Let's create a new list here like that. And I can go ahead and start moving my cards around just like this. And I can go ahead and copy and paste and add comments down here if I want to. So there's labels, there's members. So there's some pretty basic features here. I can go back to my boards and go back to test YouTube. I have the option of adding other members in here. The settings is pretty straightforward. Again, I can change my workspace URL, some language stuff, API keys if I want to interface with it like that. I don't really need to do that. Again, this is a very simple and straightforward tool. You can import from Trello. I've tried this before. I've not successfully gotten it to work. So if someone does get it to work, please leave a comment below and let me know how you got that working. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to test YouTube here. What I'm going to do actually is go back out to the board, and I'm going to create a new board. I'm going to call this Design Ideas. And I'm going to go ahead and use a template. And this is one of the powerful things. So this is basic Kanban. There's software development. There is content creation, customer support, recruitment, personal project. I'm going to go to content creation because that's what we do here at Servers at Home. And I'm going to create this board. And you'll see here it pre-populates with a bunch of these lists already made. So all the way out to there. So that's just kind of convenient. That's already made a few lists for me. But this is a pretty straightforward tool. This is not a very complicated thing, but if you're looking for a simple Kanban that's got this really pretty design and does this very well, yeah, this might be something you're looking for. Let me know in the comments below whether or not this is something you're looking for, if this is something that you think is going to work for you guys, or whether or not it's missing some things that you'd really like to see here. There are a ton of other Kanbans out there. I think this is one of the newer ones. It just happens to be minimalist and sleek, and usually I like that. I might prefer just maybe a little bit more features in here, especially something simple like notifications, where if I'm logging in, I can see if there's been movement on my cards, etc., things that should be brought to my attention. That's something like Planka does. And there's a few others out there that do something like that. But let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe to this channel for more information. If you guys want to see more Kanban videos, please leave me a comment below or jump on our Discord and leave us a suggestion there in the suggestions channel. Please like and subscribe to what we're doing here. We really appreciate your support. We really want you to tell other people what we're doing so we can get a bigger community going of people who are really interested in home labbing and self-hosting. If you want to say thank you, please send something to this developer who's working hard on these projects and also survives on donations, much like this channel. And if you'd like to support this channel, please buy me a coffee.